Welcome back to Winning Law. I'm attorney David Nguyen with offices in Houston, Texas. Today we're going to make a video of what you should expect after attending an adjustment of status or a green card interview at the local USCIS Field Office. First, when you arrive, you may be informed that your interview has been canceled. Yes, sometimes immigration officers get sick and there is no one to take their place. And sometimes, and this happened to me just last week, the immigration officer will inform you that the file was not fully transferred and they have to reschedule you. Second, you should expect delays. One time, I had to wait over 2 hours for the appointment because they were running behind. Third, if you are filing a marriage-based petition or application, the interviewer may separate you and your spouse during the interview. This is called a Stokes interview, and we have a separate video on this channel about this. Fourth, you can expect the immigration officer to ask you questions about your family history, your immigration history, your criminal history, and your employment history. This means that if you filed your visa and you lied about something, or you previously filed other cases and the information that you provided on your current application conflicts with the prior information, you will likely need to explain what happened. Fifth, sometimes USCIS will conduct site visits. If there was an investigation, the immigration officer may explain what happened during the site visit. For example, last week when I attended a naturalization interview with a client, the immigration officer told us that there was an investigation and there were notes in the client's file that indicated that he was previously part of a heroin drug ring and he had possible ties to gangs. This was definitely unknown to me and my client. 6. After the interview is completed, a couple of things may happen. 1. You may be given a letter stating that your case is recommended for approval, and this is kind of what you want. 2. You may be given a letter stating that more time or more evidence is required before a decision is given. If you receive this letter, the government will usually indicate that it will need at least 120 days to make a formal decision. Third, you may be informed that you did not submit sufficient documents and to expect a request for evidence or a notice of intent to deny. If this happens to you, do not be surprised if it takes immigration several months to issue this request. Fourth, you may be informed that you need to file a waiver application to ask for forgiveness for fraud or misrepresentation. This usually happens if the officer believes that you lied on a prior application, such as your visa application or a prior immigration filing. Fifth, you may be denied, and this is why having an immigration attorney pre-qualify you for immigration benefits is so important before you actually apply. And 6, you may be asked to withdraw your petition before the government suspects you of submitting fraudulent petition or applications. So hopefully after watching this video, you'll know what to expect after attending your interview at a local field office. Again, thank you for watching Winning Law. I'm attorney David Nguyen, and we hope that we have made immigration easier to understand.
At David Nguyen's Law Office, we are here to help you. We bring families together through immigration. And on the other hand, we help you find solutions. All your legal needs in the hands of people who care, who are there for you. We'll take care of your loved ones at the law office of David Nguyen.